Pappaya! Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I have an idea using this, guys. Wow! How is this idea, guys? Hey, let's build something amazing out of this faulty fan. Oh, I need something, guys. Oh, where is it? Hey, hey. Oh no. And now, let me show you an awesome idea, guys.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Guys, let's make another cool project with this. How is this idea, guys?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
How is this item made from scrap, guys? And now, let's see what else we can make from this scrap. Guys, I'm going to do an experiment using this. Wow, amazing! Do not imitate or try this, guys. Guys, let's make an amazing DIY fan out of this. How is this DC water fan, guys? Oh, what is this? Wow, amazing! Guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.